In Canva, understanding how object layering works is essential for designing effectively. Every time you add an element, image, text, shape to your canvas, it is automatically stacked in layers, with each new object becoming the top layer. Here's how to manage and manipulate these layers. Every element you add to the canvas, such as images, text, or shapes, creates a new layer. If you want to change the order of objects, you can right-click on the object or use the position option in the top toolbar. Send backward or bring forward will move the object one layer up or down. If you want to move an object completely to the back or front, choose Send to Back or Bring to Front. You can manipulate each layer by selecting the object and either moving it forward or backward one step at a time or sending it completely to the back or front. If you set an object as the background, it becomes the base layer, and you can no longer move it forward or backward. Other elements are stacked above it. The position toolbar lets you move objects one layer at a time, forward or backward, but it doesn't have the option to move an object directly to the back or front. For that, you will need to right-click and choose the Send to Back or Bring to Front options.